First of all, I welcome all the keynote speakers, invitees, all the participants in this international e-conference on nonlinear analysis and its applications, which is organized during July 27 to 29, 2020. Myself, Dr. S.S. Bellare, convener of this conference. Today, in this session, we shall discuss the demo on Microsoft Teams. You know, actually this is a totally online conference. This is a e-conference, and this conference is a totally organized by using the Microsoft Teams app. This is the one of the best application which is used for the online discussions, online presentations, online lectures. So we have selected this app for this conference, and in our institute this app is always asked for the online teaching. This app is always used in the online teaching learning process. So in this demo session we shall discuss how to join the conference program using this app. Secondly, we shall discuss how to present the papers by using this app. And thirdly, you have to know how to use this app in the laptop, PC, mobile. That means you can present your research paper through this app, using this app on mobile also. So let us see how to present this app, how to connect the conference through this app. First of all, you have to download this app in the PC or laptop from Google. You go on the Google and type in that Google, type Microsoft Teams download, and Microsoft Teams download. Then there is a download desktop and mobile Microsoft. Then by double clicking you will get the Microsoft, that is a download for desktop, download for PC. You double click here, then automatically Microsoft Teams will be downloaded in our PC. Now this is a Microsoft Teams app icon. If you double click this Microsoft Teams icon, then first of all you have to log in this Microsoft Teams app. The login ID and login password which is provided by our conference team. So you have to use that ID and password and log in this Microsoft Teams. First time this software will ask you to change the password, then you have to change the password, but you have to use ID same, and after that ID and password you will be logging in this Microsoft Teams. Now suppose if you double click this Microsoft Teams, then after login there will be display of different icons here. You have to use Teams. You have to click this Teams. If you double click this Teams, then you will get the icon of international conference. e-conference on log analysis and applications. If we double click this, then you will get the different sessions here, that is inaugural functions, keynote speakers, parallel sessions. If you want to join, suppose the inaugural function, then suppose this is the inaugural function, then you have to double click there. Then there is again icon to join this inaugural function, then join this, you have to double click. Then again it will ask to join that meeting, then you have to click join. That will be connect, or that will be join to you for this conference meeting, conference function. Okay, this is the process for joining the conference. Now you will see here, you will see here the icon of turn on, turn off video. If you want to turn on your video yourself, then you have to turn on, unless you have to off. If you want to talk, you want to ask any question, then you have to keep this unmute, this your mic, keep this mic unmute, unless otherwise it will be always on mute. If you want to share your desktop, your PPT, you want to present this PPT, then you have to click here in the share option. We shall see this later on. If you have to take some more actions, that means share more actions. First of all, you have to go through the device setting and you have to connect the speakers which are using on this Microsoft Teams. Then you have to use microphone. You have to connect this by using the microphone. If there are different connectivities of microphones, that is the desktop connectivity or laptop connectivity, then you have to connect, you have to select which types of a microphone you want to use in this Microsoft Teams. Then also there are different types of cameras, web cameras there, or camera of the laptop. Then you have to select which type of a camera you want to use in the Microsoft Teams and select them which will be used to join the system. Now if you want to ask any question at the time of a presentation, then you have to raise your hand by clicking this. This raised hand is intimated to the lecture resource person, and after the completion of lecture he will ask you about your question. When you are going to ask the question, first of all you have to unmute this your microphone and your camera, and after completion of the question you have to again keep this on mute. Then if you want to see the members in this meeting, in this conference, then you have to click here, then automatically there will be the display of members on the right side. Okay, then if you want to leave this meeting, stop this meeting, then you have to click hang up here, then you will stop the meeting. Okay, this is the process for joining the meeting. Okay, this is the basic idea about the Microsoft. By using this Microsoft, how to join the international conference, how to join the lectures, online lectures which are organized on the Microsoft Teams. Okay, this is the process to join the Microsoft Teams. Thank you. Namaskar.